Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the dart placement exact. With the garment on a dress form or the wearer, mark the apex, legs, and dart length. Use tailor's chalk so it's visible. Once done, smooth the fabric and double-check symmetry left to right, measuring from center front to each apex. Make sure the grain line runs straight. This prevents twisting. Pin the dart closed, matching notches and seam allowances. Now you're ready to stitch the first stitch line. You sew the dart starting at the wide end and stop at the apex, backstitching only at the leg to avoid bulk. Once done, taper the stitches smoothly to a single point at the apex. Don't bunch or knot there. Make sure to use a consistent 2-2. 5 mm stitch length. It gives strength yet flexibility. After stitching, trim excess seam allowance if needed and press the dart. For bust or shoulder curves, press with a tailor's ham to shape the fabric. You're at the finish line. Clip into the apex up to 1-2 mm from the stitch but never through it, which lets the dart lie flat. Once done, press the dart toward the intended direction, center front or down, then try the garment on to confirm fit. If you see puckers or an off-center apex, unpick the leg, reposition slightly, and resew. Make sure to finish the seam allowances, zigzag, pinking shears, or serger, to prevent fraying and keep that clean, professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.